Hi my beautiful people, welcome back again to the channel where I give you skincare tips that will move your skin from problematic to perfect in a short period of time. In today's video, I am going to be talking about people who have combination skin. You know, combination skin types are those who have a drier outer area and then an oily T-zone. Many people have this kind of skin, and many times it's a bit problematic to manage than for people who have a single type of skin. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you all about the best products to use, what products to apply, how to manage that skin type so that you don't, dry out your other dry, you don't, worsen your dry areas by using products that are for the oily T-zone in the dry area. Now the T-zone area tends to have more oil and shine in people with combination skin. The outer area is drier, less oily, while this area is more shiny, produces more oil, and this area tends to be more tolerating of harsh products than your external area. So you find that products that work for many people would work differently on you if you have combination skin. So the common mistake that people who have combination skin often make, right, is using strong products all over the face. For your skin type, you cannot always use the same type of product all over your face, because products that tend to do well for your T-zone area may become harsher and make your outer face look drier, right? Another mistake that people who have combination skin make is skipping moisturizer. Because of the oiliness that comes out of their T-zone, they feel like if they skip moisturizers, it will sort of reduce the oil production from their skin. However, the skin produces more oil. This tends to make the skin easier to get damage when you skip moisturizer. What you are going for as a combination skin type, right, is an outer layer that is hydrated all day, and then a T-zone area that appears matte, so that you balance out the drier areas with the oily areas of your face, and so that you can have a more uniform and harmonized much time. Let's go into the products that are going to help you achieve that skin balance for your combination skin. The first product is the Good Molecules Niacinamide Serum. Now what this product does is that it reduces oil production within your T-zone area. It reduces your skin's generation of sebum, which makes your T-zone area shiny, oily, and making you have to blot it with a tissue paper every day and every time, or from time to time, right? What this Good Molecules Niacinamide Serum can do for you if you have combination skin is that it will keep the external drier areas of your skin hydrated all day, but it will also work at the same time on your oily T-zone area to reduce oil production, reduce sebum production, and sort of give you a more balanced and uniform skin. It's a perfect balance for your combination skin, right? It will hydrate your external face, like the external parts of your face, like I've described before, and balance, reduce oil production here. And it does that without even stripping your skin of moisture, so you kind of have a more youthful, healthy looking skin. Second product you can use is a Paula's Choice 2% BHA exfoliant. This product contains salicylic acid, right? And what this product is going to do for your combination skin is that it's going to target your T-zone areas and pull out every excess oil. Not only will it pull out excess oil from your skin, it's going to reduce your skin's generation of oil, right? So that it will balance out with the rest of your skin. It's going to unclog your pores, right? Without leaving your skin looking dry. There are some products that you use to treat your oily T-zone area. They really do reduce the oil production, but they leave that area feeling dry, tight, and a bit hard. I don't know if hard is the word to use, but it does the oil reduction, but it dries out your skin. It strips it of every moisture. What this Paula's Choice is going to do for you is that it's just going to unclog your pores. It's going to make your pores appear smaller. It's going to dry out that oil. The best way to use this Paula's Choice 2% BHA is to use it twice or 3 times a week. You don't want to overdo it, right? Because you remember that you have another skin type on your outer layer. So what you want to do is use it 2 to 3 times a week and focus only on your T-zone. You want to also go over it with a moisturizer. For all of the products I'm going to mention, make sure you do not skip moisturizer. Moisturizer is going to, you know, keep the external areas of your face hydrated. The next product for my girlies with combination skin and oily T-zone is the La Roche-Posay Effaclar Clear Matte Moisturizer. Let me tell you how to use this product. So you want to apply a thin layer of this moisturizer to your T-zone area and a richer quantity of the moisturizer to your outer face, right? What this is going to do for you is that it's going to gently reduce oil production here while keeping the external areas of your face hydrated, moisturized all day. So you can see that it's going to like balance out the two faceness of your face. It's going to balance out the bipolar. I'm so sorry, I don't know why I'm playing too much today, but I'm serious. It's going to heal your bipolar face without your combination skin. General benefits of the La Roche-Posay. See how I'm even clapping. I'm clapping for La Roche-Posay. The good thing about this La Roche-Posay is that from your first use, right, you would notice that it gives a sort of matteness, or it mattifies your T-zone area, but your other areas that are dry appear hydrated, right? And so that's like an intelligent product that knows what to do with what on what areas of your skin. That's why I particularly like this La Roche-Posay. So the fourth product in this lineup of things combination skin girls can try is the CeraVe PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion. This lotion contains niacinamide, and what it does is it's a night lotion, so don't use it during the day. It will sort of work overnight to repair any barrier damage to your skin. But not only will it do that, it will help mattify your oily T-zone area. It will reduce oil production overnight, and you know, you wake up to a balanced, more uniform skin. So you can apply this CeraVe PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion all over your face at night, right? And throughout the night, it's going to do the work of oil regulation, oil control on your T-zone area, but also provide you some hydration, and it will leave your oily area with a matte finish. So another thing you can try is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost water gel. Yes, that one in the blue container with the white cover, right? What this is going to do is that it will inject hydration into the dry areas of your skin, and then it has this jelly-like nature. That jelly-like nature is going to sort of reduce the oiliness and oil production on your T-zone or oily areas of your face. So you want to also try out the Neutrogena Hydro Boost water gel. That product is good for all skin types, especially if you have dry skin. That Neutrogena Hydro Boost water gel is going to do wonders for you, but it's also very good for people with combination skin. Another product you can try is the ordinary 10% niacinamide, and I think it also contains 1% zinc. That is an awesome combination for people who have combination skin. Zinc is effective in, you know, reducing acne or preventing acne breakouts and formation on your skin, but the niacinamide that it also contains is strong enough to visibly reduce, you know, the oil production on your T-zone area, reduce the size of your pores in a very short period of time. So what you'll be getting is a harmonized skin, a more uniform, balanced and healthy looking skin. You want to go over this with a moisturizer, like I've said before, but get your hands on the ordinary 10% niacinamide serum. It also contains, I think, 1% zinc, and it will do wonders for your combination skin. So there you have it, my ladies with combination skin. I'm giving you a list of products that you can consider adding to your skincare routine to balance out your two bipolar skin on your face and just help you with a more easier to manage skin on your face. So what I would advise you do is get a cleanser, a basic cleanser. Get either the niacinamide serum, any of the ones I've recommended in this video, and make sure you get a moisturizer. I've also recommended moisturizer options in this list, so you can consider pairing the serums with any one of these moisturizers so that you can, you know, balance out your combination skin, and it will be easier for you to, you know, manage and, you know, just enjoy your skin generally. I will not fail to mention that it's very important for you to have a sunscreen in this journey of balancing your combination skin. So ensure you have a quality sunscreen and you apply sufficient quantity so that it's protecting your skin while all the other products are doing their jobs of, you know, reducing sebum oil production and reducing your pore size and controlling your combination skin generally. So you want to have a very good sunscreen in your routine as well. And if you don't know what sunscreen to use, I have a video on an amazing collection of sunscreens. I have that video on my channel. You can check it out. And if you have any questions for me or anything you'd like me to talk about, any skin concerns, let me know in the comment section and I'll do a video specially for you. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a like, comment down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.